And speaking of that, there's a couple of stories here of other nations looking to be included in NATO. That's a cool article, by the way. But I'm sorry I screwed up your whole thing here. Go where you wanted to go. It's fine. We'll get there.
Okay, I thought it was just...
You like this one and this. Will's always trying to craft. He's always trying to craft a smooth...
I love it.
Yeah, lazy river, you know. When you go to the water park, you're in the lazy river, and you're on one of those inflatable tubes.
Yeah.
That is Will's objective when it comes to setting up the show. Making sure you just, you move, you cruise, lose missile. Russian shoppers swarm IKEA stores to stock up ahead of closures. Yes, IKEA is one of the latest ones to say that they are done in Russia. Actually, there's another one we're going to talk about on today's show. IKEA said this week it will close all of its 17 stores in Russia because of the conflict. Russian shoppers rushed to the stores to stock up on products. IKEA is among a number of major U.S. and European companies to have halted operations in Russia. IKEA just world famous. World famous. And Swedish company, actually. Shoppers flocked to these stores after they announced they're going down because of the conflict. Photos and videos that were shared on social media taken by local photographers showed long lines outside some of the 17 stores IKEA operates in Russia. What do you need immediately at IKEA, though, in a pinch? They're going to close the stores. What am I rushing to get at IKEA that I need before you close? Is it a shelf?
That is a good question.
Is it a couch, a bed?
IKEA's got everything.
No, I know they got everything. I'm just curious what it is that you... Or are they liquidating? Because they're like, these stores are closing, whatever. Is it better prices?
Maybe just the fear that they may not come back. So they're trying to hoard everything they can from IKEA.
So do you think the average customer doesn't even have an item in mind? They're just like, I'm just going to go? Wow.
And maybe you're right. Maybe it's cheaper prices as well.
I don't know. I mean, with the ruble tumbling, I have a hard time believing that it would be
what's in that car right there?
All that cheap for them unless they adjust the prices. Okay, so pillows and blankets maybe?
Yeah, that's what I see in there.
Yeah, okay. That makes sense.
Well, they also don't know how long it's going to go on for. So.
Apple, Nike, H&M, Disney, Warner Bros., among other companies, limiting or ceasing services there. Oil companies, BP, Shell, both divested their stakes. Maersk, FedEx, UPS, DHL stopped delivering to the country. Yeah, it's a really long list at this point. Mercedes-Benz, they forgot to put in there.
Swedish meatballs in the chat.
Well, Swedish meatballs come along with IKEA. So
yeah.
I'm going to need some Swedish meatballs to go with my papaya drink that I'm going to hunt down later.
Oh, right. Yeah.
Now that you've brought this up, I'm traveling around looking for these things.